Hi everyone, welcome to this webinar. I'm Patricia, Product Specialist here in Class 365, and I'm going to show you the two-step process in setting up your school for distance learning education. Before we start, let me give you a brief background about Class 365. It was founded in 2013 in Sydney, Australia, with a goal to provide a complete student management software system. It's an all-in-one package which covers the Student Information System, or the SIS, Learning Management System, or the LMS, Customer Relationship Management, CRM, and other more cool features. With Class 365, you don't have to use different softwares. There are instances I hear from some clients that they are using 5 or more accounts for school management. So here, we are giving you the option to store and manage all that data in one system, making it very convenient, cost-effective, and more productive for you. The brand has grown over the years, tapping more than 133 countries and supporting about 5,500 schools worldwide. The best thing about Class 365 is that it's useful for any type of educational institution. The platform is flexible and can support the different requirements of K-12 schools, higher education, companies, and academies. So now I'm going to show you how you can build a customized system for your respective organization. It's quite easy to do with just a two-step process. Here's a dashboard which you will see upon logging in. But before we explore in the other features, you would first need to set up your academic structure. You can do this by going to Modules, Academics and Learning, Manage Class and Subjects. Here you can see we have created different kinds of structures depending on the type of institution. We have higher education, K-12 schools, and academies. So these are just sample structures. You can build it yourself by going here. We have a 4-tier academic structure. The most general one is departments, down to class, sections, and subjects. Just click on a heading to add a new category. So for this example, higher education is department, Bachelor of Business is class. These are the sections, and you have the following subjects under it. For the subjects, you can categorize it as either core or elective subjects. Core subjects are automatically assigned to the students once they enroll, while elective subjects are manually assigned by the administrator, or a student can self-enroll to this subject directly. Another setting you can do from here is to set student limit to a class, section, and elective subject. Once you've set this, the system won't allow additional enrollment to the category once the limit has been reached. And that's it for step 1. Moving on to step 2, which is adding students, just go to Modules again, Academics and Learning, and Manage Students. Here you can see all the students enrolled in the school. Now, if you want to add students, just go here and add the corresponding information. These are the fields we've set for this account, but you can also edit or add more fields by going to the Manage Student Fields section. Just click on an item to edit the label. You can also delete or add a new field by a simple drag and drop action. For those who would want to mass import student data, it's also possible. Just go to Settings where we have the Import-Export Data function. You need to download the template first by clicking this Export Data tab. It will download the template which you can use for encoding student information. Once done, you can then use this file to import data. Match the columns to the right student field, or you can just click on this Auto Select function. So that's it, the two-step process. Once you're done setting up your academic structure and adding students to the system, you can now go to the LMS where you can facilitate online learning in your school. As you can see here, the LMS Workspace is created for every subject. Let's select the subject for now. So here we have the Cardiology LMS Workspace. You have the Flip Class section where you can create the subject outline or course syllabus for some. In each section here, you can upload various types of content, like video, audio, document, presentation, text, or SCORM and LTI files. While here in the discussions, you can manage the class engagement. You can upload files or links and send it to all students or even just selected ones. It's your social learning page where you can like a post or comment on it. Moving on, here lists all the assessments required for this subject. We also have a function here where students can upload their online homeworks. You can build all these required assessments from the Manage Assessment and Grading module. Here you also have the function to create online quizzes for the class. It can be a multiple choice, checkbox, or essay type of quiz. Students can answer it directly from their portal or through your mobile app. In resources, you can upload different types of files which you can import from your local drive or Google Drive. Now this section lists all the students enrolled in the class with their overall score and attendance status. Going to live lectures, here you can schedule online classes via Zoom. Just click Add and fill out the settings here to create a schedule in Zoom. Created lectures will appear here which teachers, students, and even parents can join in. Lastly, here's the analytics. It gives you an overview data of your class LMS. You can see here the key information like student performance and average score on bell curve. And that's it for this webinar. As you can see, it's pretty easy to have your own online learning space in Class 365. Now you have the tools to navigate your students through a blended learning environment. If you have any questions about Class 365, we have a lot of information in our documentation page, so feel free to check that out. Or you can also contact us through the chat support icon here or by emailing us at support@classy365.com. Thanks for joining us.